All right, let's give her a shot again. Oh boy! Oh yeah! Let's see. It's running off of its own fuel pump. Woo! There's no oil light on. I don't know if that... Hold on. Kind of finicky. Those are always... The rheostats in them are always finicky. But it's pumping off of its own gas. I just put a gallon or so in the tank. And it's running. How about that? Oh boy. Got a little bit of smoky smoke back here. That'll clean up. That'll clean up. It's a little smoky in here. I'll get the fan going, but she's alive. Ah!